everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well guys, we are talking about the wife telenovela from Showmax. Yesterday it was a wedding between Hlomu and Mqhele. Yes, Hlomu is officially Mrs. Zulu. Let's check Hlomu's biography guys. Her real name is Mqhele Mavimbela. She is 24 years and she was born and bred in Ladysmith, KwaZulu-Natal. She is best known for playing the role of Hlomu on Showmax series, the role the wife, the telenovela drama series that was inspired by the award-winning book Hlomu the Wife, written by Dudu Busani Dube. She made her first debut appearance on screen when she played the role of Tadzile on ETV telenovela Isipho the Gift. She also starred in a number of production including Durban Jen, Judas Kiss and Skim Sam. Well guys, that was her biography, and that is all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion about her character on The Wife.